Ever wondered how to create a customized dashboard in GA4? It's a fairly straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to mastering it. So what exactly is a Google Analytics dashboard? It's a place where you can host multiple metrics, all in one convenient location, and with a variety of display options. It's the ideal solution for anyone who wants to keep track of specific data points without having to sift through heaps of unrelated information. These metrics are displayed using what we call widgets. These widgets can take on many forms, including geomaps, timelines, bar graphs, and more. After selecting a widget display, you can then choose from a range of metrics such as search exits, search refinements, clicks, and more. Now, how does one go about creating these customized dashboards in GA4? The first step is to navigate to the left-hand menu, where you'll find a drop-down arrow next to the customization option. Go ahead and give that a click. Next, you'll want to select Dashboards. This is where all your custom dashboard creations will be housed. Now it's time to create. Click on the Create button to start the process. You'll be given the choice between a blank canvas or a starter dashboard. The blank canvas is perfect if you wish to start from scratch, while the starter dashboard comes with some preset configurations that can be very helpful for beginners. After choosing your preferred starting point, it's time to give your dashboard a title. Remember, a clear and concise title can make it easier to identify your dashboard later. Once you've titled your dashboard, click Create Dashboard, and voila, you've successfully created your first customized dashboard in GA4. In summary, creating a customized dashboard in GA4 involves navigating to the Customization menu, selecting Dashboards, clicking Create, choosing between a blank canvas or a starter dashboard, titling your dashboard, and finally clicking Create Dashboard. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to creating your own customized dashboard in GA4. It's as easy as that. Now, you're ready to take your data analysis to a whole new level. Happy analyzing!